Meaning of e-pal.
e-pal,
e-pal.
e-pal,
e-pal. The term e-pal is a portmanteau of electronic and pen pal, referring to a person with whom one corresponds regularly via electronic means such as email or social media. E-pals can be thought of as modern-day pen pals, providing a way for people to connect with others around the world and learn about different cultures and perspectives. This type of communication has become increasingly popular in recent years, particularly among younger generations who have grown up with easy access to technology. Overall, e-pals offer a convenient and engaging way to expand one's social network and gain new insights into the world.